Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.32 from page number 71 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. Show that the circumference of the Bohr orbit for the hydrogen atom is an integral multiple of the de Broglie wavelength associated with the electron revolving around the orbit. In this question, you have to show that the circumference of Bohr's orbit for hydrogen atom is an integral multiple. That means this integer can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? Is integral multiple of the de Broglie wavelength associated with the electron revolving around the orbit, right? So for this question, we will compare two expressions. First of all, I'll take Bohr's angular momentum, right? So you can write according to the Bohr's postulation of angular momentum. I know that expression will be mvr, that is angular momentum, equal to nh by 2 pi. This n represents the orbit in which this electron is revolving, right? And h is Planck's constant. I'll simply take this mv in denominator, right? And take this 2 pi on the other side. So it will be 2 pi r equal to nh by mv. Now I know that this 2 pi r represents the circumference of Bohr orbit. Okay, I'll consider this relation as first relation, right? I have to compare this relation with de Broglie relation, right? So I'll write according to de Broglie equation, I know that lambda, that means wavelength, equal to h by mv. Now this m is mass of electron and v is velocity of electron. H is Planck's constant, right? I'll consider this relation as relation 2. Now if you see, I am having h by mv in first relation as well as in second relation. So what I'll do, I'll simply cancel this h by mv with each other. From 1 and 2. Now it is clear that h by mv is common, right? So 2 pi r will be equal to n into lambda. That means circumference of Bohr's orbit is integral. That means n is integral multiple of de Broglie wavelength. And this is de Broglie wavelength. And I know it very well. This 2 pi r is circumference. This is the formula of circumference and we are considering it for Bohr's orbit for hydrogen atom.